Hey guys, welcome to another Tip Tuesday. So today I want to talk about keeping your body moisturized. So my body, the skin on my body is typically normal. I'm just usually straight normal. When the weather changes from you know, warm to cold, then I'll have like dry spots or my skin will get drier, but I still am not necessarily dry. But um these are tips that I have found over time that help my skin to stay moisturized um, all year long, actually, but definitely when I'm going through that spell of having dry skin. So, this is not for my face because my face actually is combination and is different. So, this is, I'm just talking about, what I do for my body to stay moisturized. So, stay tuned. Hey guys, okay, so the first tip is using a moisturizing cleanser. So if you're a person that's dry, a lot of times like bar soaps tend to be more drying. There are bar soaps that are targeted to be moisturizing, but for the most part, I found that bar soaps are more drying. Now, again, I have normal skin, so I can use a bar soap. I also double cleanse. I use a bar soap and I follow up with a body wash. But when I'm dry or having a moment when my skin is dry, I don't use bar soap. I just cleanse with a more moisturizing body wash. So, and they have all kinds across the gamut of price ranges. So, this soothe and soften shea butter and oatmeal body wash, and it says right on there helps moisturize dry skin. That's from Target's Up and Up brand, and that was like $3. Then the Shea Moisture Daily Hydration Body Wash. This is really nice. Um, and it really does hydrate really well. And I got this at Ulta when they were having a Shea Moisture sale, plus I had a coupon. So I think normally this is around like $10, but Ulta always has a coupon at least 350 off of something, and Shea Moisture falls under the ability to use that because this isn't a prestige brand. And then um, you can find it at different places. And then obviously you guys know I love Bath and Body Works, so their moisturizing body washes are actually really nice and very moisturizing. And as you know, I only shop Bath and Body Works when I have a sale and a coupon. So yeah, this body wash is I think 15.50 or something. I never pay this. I bought this I think two semi-annual sales ago. Um, they had them in the 75% off bin because I think they were changing the packaging or something. So I got it for like $4. Um, they always have a sale. I wouldn't do like the buy three get one, but when they have the buy three get three, you're at least getting 50% off. Um, they have sales all throughout the year. And so, body wash is not one of those things that tends to go bad fast. And plus, for me, depending upon how big your collection is, you're going to use these. So, they have really good quality moisturizing body washes. So there are a lot of options out there for moisturizing body washes with a lot of different price ranges, from fragrance to not, and just using a body wash that it says on there that is targeted to hydrate, to moisturize dry skin. Those are things that you can do in order to make sure that you're not using a cleansing product that is drying you out. So the next thing that you can do to help keep your skin moisturized is exfoliation. Now, you don't want to exfoliate every day because that'll be too much. But if you could do it once, twice a week, especially depending upon the type of scrub that you're using. I tend to go for sugar scrubs. I feel they tend to be more gentle, but they're all different types of scrubs. And so to me, these are kind of two different extremes of the scrubs, which is why I want to pick them out. So Bath and Body Works, their scrubs to me, the ones that are in like this type of packaging. Now they have salt scrubs and they lean more towards like how Tree Hut is. So I'm only talking about like the creamy body scrub, the glowing body scrub. I think they have one called confetti, like that kind of range. These are like super soft and extremely light exfoliant, to the point that I feel like these particular ones you actually could use every day, because it honestly doesn't necessarily feel like um, you're exfoliating, but I have found that it works. And especially if you get an exfoliating glove, and you can get them. I'll try to find a picture and pop it up in here of what an exfoliating glove looks like, but they sell them at Walmart. You can get like a pair for $3. Target has them, Ulta has them, and you just put them on in the shower. You can pour, this into the glove and then just scrub over your body. And with this kind of one, as long like if you have really dry skin or eczema, you should not be exfoliating every day, unless like your dermatologist has told you that. But I don't even think that would be, because I just that's not something you should do every day, but a couple times a week. And with this kind of scrub, you could do more. Now with the next, like Tree Hut is an exfoliant, and I really like it. But Tree Hut is one I wouldn't use. And in the summer, when I'm more, really normal, I can do Tree Hut 2 times a week. When I'm getting dry, I would only do Tree Hut 1 time a week, because Tree Hut really does exfoliate, and to me, it does a really great job. But you can over exfoliate. But by exfoliating, you're getting off that dead layer of skin, um, that is going to come off naturally. You're just helping it come off, a little faster instead of it naturally happening. And then that just frees you up, and prepares your body and your skin to be able to add some moisturization and hold on to it better, because you don't have that dead skin on you. So exfoliating 2-3 times a week, um, with a nice exfoliant is another way to make sure that you're helping your body to be able to stay moisturized. Okay, so next is using a shower oil, or shower lotion. So I don't have any lotion. For the last year, I've been really exclusively using oils, but I will put up a picture of the body lotion, shower lotion that I used to use all the time, and I'm sure I'll add it back to my collection again. It's by Nivea. So the whole idea behind shower lotions and oils are after you've done clean in your cleansing process, but you're still in the shower. And usually this is better to be done with your hand. It's just one of those things. And you've done your cleansing, and you take the oil and you actually put it on yourself in the shower, and get it all over your body, and then let it wash off, but not completely. Like, you're not trying to completely wash it off. You're just kind of washing off the excess. And that adds an extra layer of moisturization to your body. Now, so they have, body oils and lotions that are you put on and you wash off. And I've actually seen, like, Simply Shaughnessy, for example, she uses some of her Bath and Body Works lotions, not the creams, but the lotions. I've seen her say that she uses some of those as like in shower lotions, where she'll put it on and wash it off. So even if it's not something that's targeted or that actually is advertised to be a in shower lotion, there are ways that you can use a lotion in that way. So that's one way to use, lotion, in shower lotions and oils. Now, the other way that you can use oils, which is more what I've been doing this last year, is to not wash them off. So, but apply them when your body is still wet. So, what I do, um, is I will, finish my entire cleansing process. And I do this like all year long, not just when I'm having a drier moment, because I have normal skin. I don't know that I would do this if I had oily skin per se. But anyway, so I've finished showering, but I'm still wet. I haven't pat dry or anything. So I'm still like soaking wet. And I will take whatever oil I want to use, and I will put that on my body while I'm still soaking wet. And and then I will go in and pat dry. Not rub, but pat dry. And so that's like my first kind of layer of moisturization right immediately after the shower. So I'm not washing this off. I'm not even necessarily wiping it off. I'm just patting so that, that excess water is soaked up in the towel, and then all of the water and the oil that I put on stays. Now, at Noir by Fifi, we make a shower oil that you can do either with. You can, put it on in the shower and wash it off, or what I recommend with our oil is to do what I just suggested, is to put it on when you're soaking wet and pat it dry. Of course, you have to be careful when you're using lotions and oils in the shower because, of course, it can be slippery. So, be careful. But another oil that I think is good is Pink. They have a lot of oils. Now, that honey oil to me is sticky. Um, too sticky for my liking. So as much as I like the scent of that, I don't. I've tried it a couple times and I just couldn't get with the stickiness. So with this cocoa oil, and then they have that cocoa vanilla oil. Those are really nice. Now the cocoa oil does have a light coconut scent, very light. The cocoa vanilla smells like that cocoa vanilla fragrance. The other thing that you can do is make your own oil. And um, I did a video, which I'll link below, on how to make your own perfume. And in that, I showed you how to make a fragrance oil. And so, what you can do is you would make that fragrance oil, but then you would dilute it. Sorry about that, guys. I dropped something. Then you would dilute it with a jojoba oil or grapeseed oil or apricot oil, a non-comedogenic oil that would be nice for your skin. And then you add that to the fragrance oil that you've made, and then now you have your own personalized, oil that you can use in the shower. And I actually have a ton of oils that I make for myself, so it depends on how I feel. So like right now I'm using I'm going between this raspberry vanilla and um what else is in my shower right now? I can't remember. I have two in there that I kind of go back and forth. But also, I have a little stand that sits really close to my tub. So, if I decide I want to smell a certain way, I can just reach and grab it. But shower oils and in shower lotions are a really great way to add a extra layer of moisturization to your skin. And so, again, I will try to pop up a picture of a couple of lotions that I've tried for in shower that are wash off, that I can vouch for. And it's really only two, and they're both from Nivea, but I'll put them up. I'll find a picture and put them up. Okay, the next tip would be actually moving to a body butter or cream instead of a lotion. Um, so body butters are thicker, and so they add a thicker layer of moisturization. And so, of course, we sell a body butter that's really thick. I mean, you could turn it over; it's not going to melt. I mean, unless it's hot. But our body butter, although it's thick because it's shea butter and mango butter, it does go into the skin really well and easily. Um, but it's an extra moisturizing, and again, ours are fragrance, so you can have the fragrance aspect. We also have the Simply that has no fragrance. So, if you just want to have a fragrance-free lotion, we have Body Butter. We also have that. Or like Sol de Janeiro, they have their Bum Bum Cream, which is, a thicker, creamier kind of body butter. Not as thick as ours, but definitely creamier and thicker than a regular lotion. And then, Bath and Body Works sells body creams. Now, Bath and Body Works body creams, depending upon, which one, they do have a tendency to go bad faster than their lotions. But I've found, for me, the way my closet bedroom is set up is it's really surrounded by outside walls, and so it stays pretty cool. And so I just keep my extra lotions in there, the ones I'm not actively using. But I mean, I haven't had as many issues with body creams going bad as I have heard others have had, and that may be just due to how I'm able to store mine. Um, but also, I try to keep the amount of body creams that I keep on hand lower, just so that I can kind of get through them. But with that being said, Nivea has a really great, thicker. it's called a lotion, but it's for extra dry skin. And I'll find a picture of it and put it in here. Um, but you want to go with heavier, thicker butters and creams as a way to kind of help you stay moisturized, because when you put them on after your shower, that's just going to last longer and keep you more moisturized. So move if you're really dry, moving to, a heavier cream. Now, you also have to be careful because you don't want to do something that's so heavy that it's going to clog your skin or anything. So finding a butter that, has skin friendly properties and it is also going to be helpful. So, um, you know, that's the other piece of when you start adding heavier and heavier things on your skin, you just want to be mindful. Now, the skin on your body can take way more, and is more malleable than your face. So again, I am talking about your body. I For your face, that's a whole different, animal. And if you guys want me to talk about kind of what I do to keep my face healthy and um, not dry and also not too oily, I can do that. Just let me know in the comments. Um, but for your body, a body butter, a body cream is going to be better if you want to stay hydrated and moisturized. So that's it for that. Okay, guys, so before I go, I have a couple bonus tips for you. And the first one is gotta stop taking hot showers, which is preaching to the choir for myself. I love hot showers. They're relaxing. They just make me feel really good, but they dry your skin out. And so you don't have to take a cold shower, but like that, if you're a person who likes like steaming hot showers, gotta kind of turn down the heat. Um, I still take showers more with too much heat than I probably should, but I have decreased the heat and I'm working on, doing better about that, especially when I'm having moments where my skin is drier. So, you know, can't take a hot shower. The other bonus tip I have for you is how you dry your body. So, um, instead of like rubbing, your body dry, you should, pat dry. I'm not going to say air dry because I don't do that and I'm not going to be a hypocrite, but I do pat instead of rub myself dry. And I've noticed that that has helped me, to not be as dry. So patting your skin dry. Some people air dry. I just can't get with that. But um, but padding has worked instead of rubbing, and also buying high quality towels. So yeah, you're going to pay more for them on the upfront, but one, they last longer, but two, they're also the material is softer on your body, so that's also going to be nice. And you don't have to pay. You could go to different places. Bath and Body Works, sorry, Bed Bath and Beyond always has coupons. I mean, so now Walmart has that Better Home section, so those are some nicer quality towels. Marshalls, TJ Maxx, so just getting higher quality towels to dry your body with is also something that helps you with, keeping your skin healthy and moisturized. So those are the bonus tips I have for you, um, and hope they help. Okay, so that's it for the video. I hope that this has helped. Um, Let me know what are some things that you do to combat being dry. Write them down in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye.